First of all, as explained in best practices, if you've got production equipment, you should always remove the default account. Create an account for each user that's going to be accessing the equipment. I'm very comfortable with the MikroTik, so with MikroTik, by default, it's got admin. Typically what I'll do is I'll program in my user account and then the user account of all the people who are going to be interacting with that router. And then I will log out, log back in with my account to verify that I got my username and password correct. Then I will disable the admin account. It's a great practice. And this will help you keep your equipment secure, especially with anything with a web GUI, because anything that's got a web GUI or telnet access is a lot less secure. Winbox, I wouldn't say it's insecure, but GUIs typically mean there's a lot more moving parts than a SSH terminal or command line. So anyway, that's your quick tip for today. Thanks for watching.